Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LPM Public School, Golapur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, this is your physics lecture and your chapter electricity is going on. Yesterday I discussed about Ohm's law and the factor on which the resistance of the wire depends. So as you know, the formula for resistance R equal to rho L upon A. This numerical you can see on board. This is based on this formula. This is length of conductor and this is area. This area is cross section area. And the value of area is pi r square. This is pi r square. So now you have to note what value are given in your question. So in question the length is given. So L equal to 3.14 centimeter. It means 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. When centimeter converts into meter, this is 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. And other value is diameter 4 millimeter. So D is equal to 4 millimeter. Then R equal to 4 upon 2. It means 2 millimeter. And when millimeter convert into meter, so then 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So I hope you understand how to convert centimeter into meter and millimeter into meter. Now you have to solve your numerical. The other value is given in question is the resistivity. It means rho equal to 0.08 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Now you can apply this formula and find the value of resistance. So what is the value of resistance? R equal to rho L upon A. This is the formula by which you can find the resistivity of this wire. Okay. In this formula, all values are given, length and resistivity. But this is area. Area is not given directly. First, you have to find what is the value of area. So as you know, the A equal to pi r square. This is the value of R. This is the value of R. A equal to pi r square. As you know, the value of pi 3.14 and the value of R 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. So this is equal to 3.14 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Because we have already converted millimeter into meter. So by putting value 0.08 0.08 into 10 to the power minus 8, the value of L 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 2, and the value of area 3 L is 3.14 and this area is 3.14 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. So you can see 3.14 and 3.14 cancel. And this is 0.08. This is 0.08. So R equal to, when you remove this point, then 10 to the power 2. There is 2 number after point. So you can write 10 to the power 2. Clear? If there is 3 number, you can write 10 to the power 3. If there is 4, you can write 10 to the power 4. So when you remove point 100, for 100 you can write 10 to the power 2. So 8 upon 4, 10 to the power minus 10 upon 10 to the power minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 upon minus 4. So R equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 plus 4. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm. This is the value of resistance. So I hope you understand this numerical, how you can find resistance when the length, diameter and resistivity are given. Okay, so now I am going to solve the another numerical. The next numerical, what will be the resistance of a metal wire of length 2 meter and area of cross section area of cross section 1.55 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. If the resistivity of metal be 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. So this is the numerical. You have to solve what is the resistance. So in this numerical, values are given. Length L equal to 2 meter. L equal to 2 meter. Area 1.55 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. In this question, the cross-section area is given directly, and the resistivity rho equal to 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. And we have to find what is the resistance. So R equal to rho L upon A. So what is the value of rho? 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 8. L 2 and A equal to 1.55 into 10 to the power minus 6. So by solving this, you can solve the numerical easily. Okay. So when you solve R equal to 6, 5. To adjust 16 to the 5, 4 and 1, 5. 1.55 10 to the power minus 8 upon 10 to the power minus 6. So remove point, 0 will come. So when 5.62 divided by 155, so this is what will come. This is 156 divided by 155. So it is equal to 2, maybe 3 will come, 15, 16, 4. So it means 3. 3 will come. 3. Now we have to go point, then 0. So 3.6. 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm. So this is the value of resistance. So both types is done. In one type, the area is given directly, and second, the area we have to find by using radius. So one more numerical I am going to solve. After that, you have to practice, and I will explain the next topic. So let your next numerical is let a simple numerical. The potential difference between the terminal of an electric iron is 240 volt. 240 volt, and the current is 5 ampere, and the current is 5 ampere. What is the resistance of electric iron? What is the resistance of electric iron? So this is numerical. This is simple numerical. But according to 10th, this question is very important and oftenly used in board exam. Okay. So what value are given? Voltage is given 240 volt. In question, potential difference, and as you know, potential difference, the unit of potential difference is volt. What is potential difference? Work done to carry a point charge from infinity to at a point, and this is the potential difference applied by battery or applied by circuit. In domestic circuit, light will come from electric station from via transformer, and the current, what is the value of current? The current is 5 ampere. 5 ampere. Ampere is the unit of current. As you know, ampere is the unit of current. So this simple formula, in previous two question we have used R equal to rho L upon A, but in this question we have to use a simple relation that is known as Ohm's law. Ohm's law. So R equal to V upon I. So what is voltage? Your voltage is 240. It means 240 volt. And your current is 5 ampere. So when 240 is divided by 5, so what will come? It is 24. So 5 4 ja 20. 5 4 ja 20. 4 and 0, so it is become 40. So what will come? 5 8 ja 48. It means this is 48 ohm. What is the resistance of electric iron? This is 48 ohm. What is the symbol of resistance? R equal to 48 ohm. Okay. So if 5 ampere current is below 240 is voltage, then the resistance of the appliance, electric appliance, is 48 ohm. So I hope you understand this type of numerical, how to solve this type of numerical. Only two types of formula. For instance, R equal to V upon I. This is based when voltage and current is given, and R equal to rho L upon A when length and cross section area is given. A, you can replace A by rho L upon pi R square. So by using this formula you can find the resistance. So I hope now you can solve your numerical given in your NCERT textbook. Some examples are very important, so you have to solve the examples also. And some index question are also given, so you have to solve index question and exercise question. So in my next video I will take the next topic, and your next topic is combination of resistors. Okay, So in my next video I will explain the next topic. So I hope you understand the numerical. Okay, both numerical are very easy. You have to try. If you have doubt, you can ask in live class. Okay, thank you very much.